So, 87%. That is how many graduates leave college every year completely unprepared for an actual job. Not my opinion. Industry surveys. Globally. And I know what you are thinking. Not me, though. I am different. I will be fine. Sure you will. But let me ask you something. If a company messaged you tomorrow and said, "Show us what you can do," what would you send them? I will wait. This is the part where most of you close the video and go back to whatever you were doing. But the daydreamers who are still here, I have something important to tell you. Your degree is not useless, but the plan you have around it is. See, when your parents told you, study engineering, get a good job, life is set, they were not lying. They were just giving you 1995 advice in 2026. Because in 1995, if you had an engineering degree, companies came to you. You were the special one, the family hero, the guy the neighbors talked about at every gathering. But now, there are millions of engineering graduates every single year, all of them with the same degree, all of them applying to the same 50 companies, all of them hoping HR notices their very unique resume with the same 6 bullet points. And here is the part nobody tells you. 87% of companies say they are actively hiring. Actively hiring. And yet most of you are sitting at home waiting for a reply that is never coming.
Bruh.
So the jobs exist, the companies exist, the money exists, but they are not coming for you. And before you blame the economy or the government or your college placement cell, which, yes, let us be honest, is just 3 professors sharing one Excel sheet, the real problem is something else. The real problem is that you spent years learning how to pass exams, not how to do anything, not how to build anything, not how to earn anything. You memorized some formula at 2 a.m. before your exam, and then forgot it by 2 a.m. after your exam, and somehow expected a career out of this. Now, you might think, okay, I get it. Degree bad, skills good. Let me just learn Python, or data science, or maybe that AI prompt engineering thing everyone was doing last year.
Nope.
Not bad thinking, except for the tiny problem that everyone else is also doing this. Millions of graduates all watching the same Learn Python in 30 days playlist, all getting the same certificate from the same online course,
Bruh.
all putting it on the same resume, and sending it to the same HR inbox that has, I promise you, not been opened since February. So generic skills are not the answer either. Then, what is? Glad you asked. Here is the one thing that actually separates the people who get hired from the ones who do not. Proof of work. Not your degree, not your certificate, not that badge from a 3-day workshop where they gave you a pen and called it a kit.
Bruh.
Actual proof that you can do something for someone right now.
First, look at what you already know. Do you edit videos, design things, write, code even a little bit? Or maybe you have been doing something your whole life that you never thought could make money. Start there, because the biggest mistake people make is ignoring what they already have and running after some random skill a YouTube video told them was hot. Your existing skill, even if it is half-baked, has one massive advantage. You already know it. But, and this is important, before you spend 3 months building on it, you need to check one thing. Does anyone actually pay for this? Go to Fiverr, go to LinkedIn, go to any freelance community online. If people are buying this skill from strangers on the internet, you have something. And if not, now you know before wasting 3 months. If you genuinely have nothing, then pick one. Video editing, UI design, copywriting, no code tools, data with Excel or Python, 60 to 90 minutes a day, 3 months, first paid client, then validate the same way. Same process, just in the opposite order. And once you have that skill, start building proof. A small project, a redesign of something, A video you edited for free for someone. Anything that shows, when a company or a client looks you up, that you are not just another resume with the same 6 bullet points. Because here is the reality. The graduates who do get hired are not smarter than you. They are not more talented. They just have proof. And you do not. Yet. Look, I am not going to pretend this is easy. It is not. There will be a month where you are learning something, validating something, building something, and your bank account is just completely unbothered by all of it. And in that month, every single one of your friends will be chilling, playing games, sleeping at 8 p.m. like retired uncles. And you will be sitting there wondering if you are just wasting your time. You are not. You are just early. The people who never started, they're going to figure this out later. After placement season fails them, or when they are 6 months into a job they hate, earning money that does not cover their bills. That will be a fun realization for them. You are figuring it out now, before the panic sets in. That is the only real advantage you need. And if you are still here, honestly, you are going to be fine. Subscribe.